financial maths for Junior Cert. Now, sometimes that is not called financial maths in your book. It's called arithmetics, but it's really financial maths. Has to do with money. Okay, let's look. Thomas worked as a chef in a restaurant. The table below showed the hours he worked one weekend. His basic pay is €19 per hour. So we understand every time he worked, for every hour he will get €19. Okay, and we can see that here that on Friday he worked how many? 7 hours. Okay, next part. So what do we need to do with that information? How much money in total did Thomas earn for working on Friday and Saturday? So we are considering working on Friday, which is 7 hours. For every hour, he got €19. So we multiply by 19. And so therefore, plus 8 hours multiply again by €19. We put that in the calculator and we get €285. Pretty straightforward calculation. Okay, let's have a look at part 2. Thomas is paid 50% extra for working on Sunday. Therefore, how much did he earn for working on Sunday? So how many hours did he work on Sunday? 6. So normally we will say that is 6 hours multiplied by 19, but now we need additional 50%. So what does that mean? He gets paid 19 and on top of that 19, another 50%. We can do it in two different ways. Either we can find 19 multiply by 50% or 0.5, depending how you like to put that in your calculator. And then we have how much he earned per hour and then multiply by 6. Or we can say 6 hours, €19 plus 6 hours by half of it, or 19 multiplied by 0.5. We can do it that way. Or we can just say, well, you know what? He gets paid 150%. So 1.5 or 150%. Whichever way you want to put that in your calculator, any of this way will work for you. Yeah, it doesn't matter how much you're going to go on about it. If we put that in the calculator, we get that it is 171 hours. Now, how does that translate to your Living Cert? Well, financial maths kind of move to more complex stuff in Living Cert. Those will be typical of Junior Cert. They are simple calculation. They are simple concept that we have to understand.